The PONEY 200A TIG Welder is an impressive 5-in-1 machine offering a range of welding modes including TIG, spot TIG, pulse TIG, and stick welding, all in one compact unit. Utilizing advanced high-frequency arc ignition and inverter pulse technology, this welder ensures ultra-stable and spatter-free arcs for seamless results on various metals such as steel and stainless steel. Its robust multi-protection safety system, featuring hot start and thermal overload protection, provides peace of mind by safeguarding against voltage spikes and overheating. The precision MCU control significantly enhances arc start success rates and maintains stable current output, effectively minimizing electrode sticking and producing clean seams. Designed with a rugged industrial build, the PONEY welder incorporates a custom airflow system that prevents metal dust ingress, ensuring long-lasting durability. A large LED display offers excellent readability, making it easy to monitor settings even while wearing a welding helmet.